The front design is truly armed to the teeth. The front face adopts the classic 1 arch, 2 circles, 3 horizontal lines, 4 vertical lines design language. The combination of round headlights and continuous LED daytime running lights adds a modern technological feel while retaining the retro charm of the old 212. The front bumper features a wood-patterned rifle stock design paired with a metal anti-collision beam. This not only enhances the visual impact but also effectively protects the vehicle from gravel impacts. The most striking feature is the Snorkel design, inspired by a mortar. This not only increases water wading capability, up to 910 mm depth, but also includes a Sergeant's nameplate-style water wading depth marking, showcasing a robust character in every detail. Additionally, the spotlights on either side of the front bumper feature an explosion-proof mesh design. This not only provides protection against stones and impacts, but also ensures adequate lighting for nighttime off-road driving. From the side profile, its most striking feature stands out. The Dawn Gold color scheme is complemented by Highland pattern decals inspired by geographical contour lines and symbolizing the determination to conquer the mountains. The door handles are designed to resemble sniper rifle scopes, offering a unique visual effect and ease of use. The side steps, inspired by machine gun barrels, are made of black steel tubing and are directly attached to the chassis frame, combining robustness and practicality. The vehicle measures 4,749 mm x 1945 mm x 1999 mm and has a wheelbase of 2,860 mm, offering a spacious interior. The roof rack is made of a single piece of steel, providing excellent load-carrying capacity and easily carrying a tent, toolbox, and other equipment. The roof rack also features original threaded mounting points that support the direct attachment of side tents or extension brackets to meet outdoor camping needs. Moving to the rear, the design continues the classic style of the 212 family. The combination of the externally mounted spare tire and side skirts gives a modern feel with detailed optimizations while maintaining the ruggedness of a rugged off-road vehicle. The taillights have a deep design, along with uniquely designed exhaust pipes that reflect the overall layout of the front. The rear bumper also features a wood-patterned rifle stock design, creating a unified style with the front bumper. Specifically, the tailgate height has been optimized to facilitate loading and unloading, while maintaining the signature side-opening tailgate design of the 212, paying homage to the classic design while enhancing practicality. The interior balances practicality and smart features while maintaining a functional design. The center console features a classic T-shaped layout that retains many physical buttons. Essential functions such as four-wheel drive mode switching and differential lock control are all equipped with independent buttons, providing blind-level ease of use for the driver and meeting the needs of off-road scenarios. The 10.25-inch floating center screen, equipped with a 3D visual human-machine interaction system, forms the technological core of the interior. Let's look at the powertrain. The 212 T01 Highland Edition is equipped with a 2.0T petrol engine, N20TG model, producing a maximum power of 185 kilowatts and a peak torque of 410 Nm. The transmission system is expected to remain the same as the standard 2.0T petrol version, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and part-time all-wheel drive.